Hello and welcome to the RYOBI workshop. I'm here to tell you about RYOBI's 1+ HP brushless 18 gauge nailer, part of the 1+ HP range, our highest performance series of 18 volt tools that feature our most powerful brushless motors. This is a nailer that's ideal for a wide range of fastening jobs around the home and garden, such as fitting skirting boards and paneling, repairing furniture, fixing fences and laying flooring. The nailer comes with 500 32mm nails, so you can complete your task straight out of the box. A reversible belt hook, so you can keep the tool close when working up a ladder or at height. 2 no-mar shoes, so you don't damage the surface you're working on. And depending on the kit you purchase, it may come with batteries and a charger. The most impressive feature of this 18 gauge nailer is the Airstrike technology. Airstrike technology uses energy from the 1+ battery to power the internal air chamber. This charges the cylinder, and every time you press the trigger, the piston fires a nail. This innovative technology eliminates the need for noisy compressors, bulky hoses, or expensive gas cartridges that we've traditionally come to rely on. It provides a seamless, cordless experience combined with a powerful brushless motor that fires 18 gauge nails between an impressive 15 to 54mm in length. So you can effortlessly fix a skirting board or bump fire on large scale projects such as decking or laying down a floor. Now, I'm going to show you just how easily we can fix a plywood box together. Firstly, we need to load the nails. Next, we need to set the depth of drive using this toolless adjustment. This ensures we can drive the nails flush with every fire. We also need to adjust the pressure. You can set this depending on the material. Plywood is a softer material, but if you were working with a harder wood such as oak, you'd need to use a higher pressure. Now, we should set the firing mode using this switch. Mode 1 is the full sequential mode for complete precision, and Mode 2 is the contact actuation mode for rapid fastening. In the contact actuation mode, you can easily fire multiple nails by continuously holding the trigger and pushing the safety tip against the material. But for fastening plywood, we want to use Mode 1. Now we're ready to go. Let's put the battery in and let's fix our box. You'll have noticed just how quiet this nailer is, so you can easily complete your DIY jobs without excess noise. And that's not all with this innovative tool. It has an improved jam release latch for much easier nail removal, a handy LED light that illuminates your workspace, and this LED will flash to tell you when you're low on nails, so you know when to reload. It also has a dry fire lockout mechanism that prevents the tool from firing when there are no nails loaded. This 18 gauge nailer is part of the 1+ system, meaning one battery can be used across multiple RYOBI tools for the home and garden. So once you're in the system, you don't need to buy additional batteries and chargers. So there you have it, the RYOBI 1+ HP brushless 18 gauge nailer. A powerful tool that delivers with every fire.